Okay, this is exercise 9C. We're basically going to be drawing some lines going around, and then we'll end up putting some dimensions on, and then we'll also have to suppress some of our extension lines on our dimensions, such as on this location, and this, and among others. So the drawing is going to start at 1, 2, and then we'll end up drawing a line over 3 and at 5.25 to get started. Let's not forget how to change the text number too, or the letter. So let's go ahead and get started. Open up your previous assignment you did, which should have been 9C. Erase the inside. Double click this. Change the B to a C. Okay, make sure we're object layer. I'm going to turn on that ortho. Click on line, type in 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to go over 3. And I already forgot that. That's up 5.25. 5.25. Coming over 1. Down 4.25. Over 3.75. 3.75. Up 1.75. 1.5, 1.5. Okay, 1.5. Up 1.5 over 2.88. Down 4.63, 1.88. So 4.63. So 4.63 over 1.88. Up 1.13 over 112. So up 1.13 over 1.12. Let's see where we go down. Same distance, so 1.13. 1.13 over 1.2. Actually, we're supposed to go over 2. Erase that line. Come back to here. Go over 2. Okay, now up 7.13 over 1.88. Up 7.13 over 1.88. Down 3.88. Down 3.88 over 1.25. It's the same distance up. Yeah, 3.88. 3.88 over 11. And let's hope we came back to the same spot. Yeah, we did. Good. Okay, so that was actually the easy part. The harder part is actually putting the dimensions on. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to dim. I want to take off that ortho so I have more room or more freedom. Click on linear button and let's go ahead and start putting in some of these dimensions here. Okay, remember, it looks like I have some of this going on right here. I have to make sure I put that back on, and I also have it 3 decimal places. So I'm just going to go ahead and set it to 2 decimal places right now so I don't have to go back and change them. So I'm going to go to this last button. I'm going to go modify since I want to change all my dimensions. I want to make sure I uncheck that. And let's go to primary units and then make sure our precision is set to 2 decimal places. So primary units tab, precision, set it to 2 decimal places. Click OK, click close. Go ahead and click on linear. Let's go back to this. Okay, much better. And let's see where these guys go. 5.25. Okay, here to here. We got 1 down there. So here to here, bring it down. Okay. Let's see, this one goes 3.75. Okay, take a look here. See how I didn't click on the corner? That's why it's giving me a wrong number. So make sure you do zoom in and get that corner. And here's 3.75. Okay. This part here looks like it's those two. There and there. Here. We got the 1.5 here. 1.5 here. So this one here, we're actually going to have to go endpoint to perpendicular. Okay, so that means this going to go snap settings. I have endpoint and I need to put that perpendicular on. So linear, endpoint, and there's perpendicular, and just drag it over here. Well, I should have turned off that snap after I moved, or actually I can just go ahead and move it like this right now. Click on that button and just move it right here. Okay. So you'll see all these lines right here. These are all the ones we're going to have to go back and suppress. So let's see what other dimensions we have. 2.88, and then we come down that way. So we got here to here, here to here. Okay. Down here. It's at 7.13 inside. It's on the outside. Okay. This one goes from here to here, and it brings it up. Okay, and let's see. Then it's got the 11 and 6.75. Okay. Put my multi-leader in, dimension multi-leader. And I think it said 1.00. Yeah, comma 200. 1.00, comma 2.00. Okay. Alright, now we're going to have to go back and suppress all these lines that are on top of the object lines. So let's go on the last button. I'm going to go ahead and go override. Go to lines, and I'm going to suppress this first one. Close, update, and see if this will work for this one. No, because see that one right there? It took off that one. So I'm going to go back, and actually, let's see if it still okay. Still got to suppress. So it looks like let's try update. Looks like it's getting rid of the top one. 2. Okay, that didn't do it on that one. Update for this one. Nope, didn't do it on that one. So we gotta go back. Update this one. Nope, that didn't do it either. So at least we know those ones. We're gonna have to just click on the other ones. Okay, so let's go and take those 4 real quick. We're gonna go back here. Switch it. Update button. We know this one, this one, this one, and this one. Good. Let's see if it's going to work for these two. This one worked, this one didn't. So we're going to have to go back to that one. So override, switch it on that one. Close, update. Okay, good. let's get, so we got one more. Let's see if this update will work on this one right now. Yes, it did. Good. Okay, so you kind of see how we have to go back and you have to play around with the suppressing lines to figure out which one goes to which dimension as you did. So after this, then you're done with your 9s.